go box on TJ. What TJ want to say? No. Rebel stop him. Jesus Christ. Andre Nelicino? Why Andre a beer someone? Why him gonna do that?
So welcome back people to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. And this is one topic we never really want to speak about, but you know it's YouTube and this is where we create a channel for speak on certain things. But there's this thing going around with, we know the whole on the seat with TJ and Remeich. Now, apparently, all news comes out that Remeich was the man that ordered for his goons to beat up TJ because of some whatever reason. Now, it's clear as day, if the video never come out, we wouldn't see Remeich in the video. I apologize and I say whatever I must say pertaining to it. So let's jump to it and hear what people have to say about it. Because a whole heap of people I give Remeich a backlash why him have to come out now and apologize. And it's a topic like this where, as I say, I never want to speak on because it hurt me to the core. It can be your own relative you see I get beat and a batter bruise up. And you can imagine the man girlfriend also I get beat up and a thump down. Come on, man. Remeich as a big man like you, a big businessman like you, I go tell people say, if somebody can't lick TJ in their face, come on, man. You sure I don't know who for frightened? Because if I did footer hype, you wouldn't do this. You have footer hype in an altercation the other day over social media, and make you threats them. But when footer hype tell you say him see you somewhere, and you couldn't lick him in the face, so tell man for lick the youth in the face. Tell your goons them, you know you as an influencer, your influence big, and tell people say lick the youth in the face. Come on, man, Remeich. Now, let's get into it and hear the sub apologies we have to say about the incident.
I want to say on another. An idea, this apology is to say sorry for them publicly. I want to spread it. I want to spread it. I want to continue to bash me. But I'm telling you this. Leave my family out of it. Can't make innocent people get hurt. Seem like, we're going to do something with TJ and I get night. So wrong. So wrong in every way. And again, there is a lot of stuff that's adding to it and there's a lot of stuff that is fueling to it. Which, I see everything, but I just hold it. I see everybody a bash, I see everybody attack, and again, they're not wrong. Because maybe if somebody did do the same thing to a friend or a family to me, would have come out and do the same thing. You see me? So, to everybody on the 1st of December, right here, so, everybody. And when I say everybody, I talk even people in life. I apologize to
all. This is what I get from this apology.
All of my friends.
This apology is not much sincere to me. I don't know about you guys, but to me, this is not sincere. This is coming off as very much egotistic. It's like he's trying to protect his brand and his name and not to be tarnished, but it's already been done, Remeich. The damage already been done and you call the shots. And it's clear that to us, you're trying to be like a community dan or you're this big influencer person. And it's like play like you're a community dan, bro. Come on, man. It's wrong, brother. You can't justify it. And it's like, in this whole apology, he might talk about but, and I say, remember say TJ do things to you already. This all where you talk about TJ do this. If you don't want to see the full apology, where I send, you can go over him channel, you can go over him page on Instagram, and you want to see everything where I say and where the demeanor where I give up. You can't say I'm not truly sincere, but it is what it is, Remeich. It's already been done. If the people might cancel you, that's how life goes. If they don't, that's how it is. But to me, this apology can't stay for itself because you're not sincere. You're not showing us sincerity because as a grown person, we all know so we are human, but as a grown person, you're supposed to know right from wrong. And you giving the shots and calling the shot for someone to box TJ in the face. The voice, no, the record is there with your voice in the background saying to give TJ a box. And have the man them a beat up the youth, and you stand up there watch the man them a beat up the youth, and you know tell the youth them say for stop or whatever, don't do it. Come on, bro. At this time I talk about some of them influence, some of them big people are influencer. When them have their money and power, them feel like them can take advantage of young youth and them can deal with people away. But don't you know who for frightened? Don't you know who for frightened, yo? Let's hear what TJ did have to say about the whole allocation and how it started.
Like him say, pussy, come on for this. Like him say, pussy, come on for the stage. So I turned to him and say, yo, pussy, we are called pussy. And that was it, I walk off. Because when I say, I don't want no big tick security come throw me off first. Well, when the system I light, you understand? I can't manage big security. And you see me? And for Remeich make a talk, I have to comply because I don't want you to say I mash up no man thing. It's just that I feel like say, yo, I'm good because I'm a TikToker. As soon as I can see Remeich become a part of TikTok family, so I think say, yo, I'm good. You understand? Anyway, I take my little shame and I come off for the stage. Same time Remeich texts me. The dog texts me and like him say, TJ, nobody hype up yourself because, you know, like him say, you don't know them man they are not at work, the man them at work. So me I say, Remeich, I not how hype drop in, I literally just did it, you can't see me that, I still have the video on my phone, but the video even cut short. You understand? So I reply to him, I say, Remeich, I never do nothing bro, I never hype up, I just literally have video. You see me? Anyways, that done, I go back in my cabana and I go and enjoy the rest of the performance because by this time now, I think it was Chronicler come up and I do the artist start perform now. Otherwise some Maya and Jaden thing, Candy thing, the bigger artists them come on now and them I do them work and thing, and I guess at this point now some little scruffling go on backstage, and I don't know what happened, guys. I don't know what happened. Although I see one video what happened with the same Andre youth, because apparently I get to understand say I know me alone him beat up and kick up. Him beat up and kick up somebody before him beat up and kick up me. You understand? Whatever that happened backstage, the same police where do that to me, him beat to somebody else. You get me? Anyways now, as I say all of that done, police, I guess banker say, yo, the party have to lock off. Him say, I have good news and bad news. You know how selector deal with it. They say, bad news is, thanks to come out a rebel party, blah, blah, blah. Party have to lock off now. By this time now, everybody will pack up and say, alright now, we're going yard.
Now, here's why there's a limit on a case like this now. You see, because the police didn't have the altercation with TJ, and you know Remeich having money, and I'm friend them, there's much limit on a case like this. But me tell you this, them need for fight and go the extra length for sue them, especially the person who put him on the girl and the person who put him on TJ. Them need for sue them, gear up and lawyer up and fight a case like this. No friend or not, the world where we live in cruel. You would think say people are your friend, but them are not your friend. Don't make them trick you with them sub story and apology and tell about all them sorry for this and them I save them a safe face. Them a protect them image. Them image them a try to protect. Lawyer up and press your charges, youth. You and your girlfriend, press on the charge. Because if I did Remeich in the same situation with him and him fiancé, I know him would have press charge. Don't take this light and make it go scotch free. Do not take it light and go scotch free. I tell you, say, yo, the situation hurt me to the core, bro. It hurt me to the core to see youth. I see the video. A lot of you, if you don't see the video, it's all over social media. It's on Google. If you don't want to see it, it's on TikTok or Twitter. If you don't want to see it. But now this is a situation that's terrible, bro. And you come and apologize. There's no apology can solve this or stop the trauma or the pain where the people might feel. None. The doctor bill them and all of them things. They hear me say? They feel like apologies and money can solve every problem, because that is what he came out in the apology video attack about. If you don't want, come on. If you don't want, deal with the doctor bill. If you don't want to do this, if you don't want to do it. What you mean if you don't want? What you mean if you don't want, Remeich?
This is the thing now. When me I walk, cause me I exit the venue from backstage because of this where me enter from. See, because a VIP ticket, right? While I was leaving the venue, Mr. Remeich and couple man stand up. You see me? I don't know if I talk them or talk or what. I just see them stand up or whatever they do. You understand? Because when I said the event done now. While me I walk past Remeich now, I stopped to Remeich and I said, dawg, how the man them did me up on the stage, bro? I'm a walk off. I did not say pussy or anything. I said, Remeich, how the man them did me up on the stage, brother? I'm a walk off. While me I walk off now, one of the man them where they round him, say like him say, yo, pussy go suck your mother. So I turn around and I say, when you go suck back on the mother, I'm a step. You understand? I say, go suck back on the mother, I'm a step. Me personally believe say Remeich would have known say I know him me attack because remember the little thing we go on with the security them, I guess at them they round him. So when that man at him about mother, me I say alright them more than like the same little security boy them. So me I say alright then you tell me about mother, I say go suck back on the mother. You see me? This was not directed to Remeich, none at all. None at all. Remember, on the day before the party keep and me and Remeich that they live. You see me? The day before me in office, we have a little discussion about the whole cabana thing, you know, and we talk and we solve the whole issue. Him come and say, yo, TJ that good man, you know, my gift gallery want full out. Send me a line later.
So apparently, this whole situation, why TJ get beat up are because him turn around and tell about them whosoever tell him about him mother, go suck back on the mother. And because Remeich was standing there at the same time when TJ go tell them suck back them mother, you Remeich tell the man them say for go box the youth in MPS. Okay, area leader. Okay, big Dana. So now move. You can give orders and tell people for box people. And people go do it like a Simon say this, Simon say that. Them a follow your orders. Come on, man, Remeich. That wrong way you do, bro. That wrong. That is totally wrong. And nothing can justify this. No apology can justify it.
By the time you get the first lick and, you know, like, you know when you just get a thump in your face, you just frazzle out, you don't even know how I go on, to tell you the truth. I don't even know how I go on. I just know somebody just get a thump in my face. By the time if you get up.
So this is showing us people. You see, sometimes you might think some people with you and them not with you, you know. This whole situation with TJ and Remeich will escalate. You know, a party never needed, but because Remeich no know the type of influence him have, and him not realize said that whatever him say goes whenever him there around the people them way thinks him a dan, him a boss or whatever it may be. This is a total disappointment in our game. Total disappointment, bro. I mean, only hope TJ look into it. And if him feel like everything is all up to him and his girlfriend, you know, it's up to them. It's not up to us as the viewers and the fans. It's up to him if he want to press charge. And I would advise him to press charge. Press charges for everything. This your part of your body hurt you. That the part of your body hurt you. Tell them, get the lawyer up and get the lawyer and press your charges. No money nor apology can mend this situation. It already escalated and gone out of proportion. Remeich is apologizing, yes, on behalf of everything, but the people them will hurt the people them will hurt TJ and his girlfriend. Them also need to make a statement and apology. Now because you want to save face and save your image and your brand, you're coming out and you're coming out and attack and I give people sub story and all of them things there, which makes no sense, bro. Well, we're gonna listen to what some of the viewers them are say and some of the TikToker, the rankers them where them have to say pertaining to all of this will take place. Come know it not sit well with that a lot of them, you know. And we as and viewers will see it too. Say them not sit a lot, them not sit, you know, sit well with them with this situation. We see Roger came out and not speak on it, and it's only until Roger speak out you see people start come out and talk about it and I say it wrong. It's only until all of the TikTokers them were there at the party, them never find it fit to come out the next day and speak on the incident, only because it's Remeich.
Fuck there, I not say world dog get shot and you're up 3 o'clock a man in a chat. What the fuck there, brother? You're an idiot, dog. Afraid what you do. You know see you can't stop suck dick now. Them no rate you know see that. You know see you can't stop pretend now. Me and you chat this every day, youth. I'ma show you. I don't like saying no, say them no rate you, you know.
Remeich, let me ask you a question. I just want to know one thing. Me don't know who name Andre, me don't know business. Why you not allow Andre if to do that? Why you send Andre go back somebody where you're there live with regular? What kind of badness you are push? What the outcome when you did that look for? You want to become the new Dodos, Viad? A badness you promote? You're not setting an example for them rankers here, and none of them famous TikTokers here. If this is the behavior where you are promote, what Jamaica need better from you as a big mash mouth man? You need to act your age because you really not act like that. Eh? Why would you do that to Maya? Why? And you stand up there like one Dan. And the people them, when they turn up there, video them and assault the man. No, couldn't go help the man. And Maya, no, at all never want to help. All I they just want to kick him too and push down Maya too. So nobody at all never want to give Remeich a big stone, a buckle. Nobody. All I want to do is watch them assault the man. I want to do their video if you can compose it to them tomorrow morning. And nobody don't help the youth. Them kick him, them box him, them do him all kind of something, bro. Them say TJ did loud. TJ did loud up. So what? Me can't loud. Remeich should move him bumbleclat and go suck out his mother. Remeich right now pussy what? Me and the whole of them come talk about. The other day about, yo, this is Dan Ghana blood clot. Jamaica me no see God Dolly Sunday. You know, me no go nowhere with some pussy wall of me always and humiliate. Butty man Remeich, a waste man. Me don't even go nowhere with them butty man there. Me don't even do that. When I go to Jamaica, I bring my own money with me. Me blood clot that Jamaica, me need money, me call my mama. Oh, I'm telling you, me don't need no pussy clot body. Me don't need nobody to put me up neither. Me don't need no boy if you do nothing for me. Me don't need no boy to rent nowhere blood clot all and keep no party for me. Go suck your mother Remeich. Suck out the deepest part of your mother batty boy. Rebel all you to watch yourself. Cause you think of peace and safety, you know goody. But do your thing. You do your thing. We don't always think so. We don't need core right. We don't need people who are pushing you out in our business. Remeich them a leech. And parasite. Them pussy and I help you know. I bring them down. I money them and make off for you. You hear that? So when you see them come over here, so come catch up on the live. I look them and look views too. Who the fuck is Remeich? What is a Remeich? Remeich, if you run back at the whole like TikTok of them and I go on the shoes and I go on the shirt, no boy can buy me nothing. No boy can buy me no pants. And that's Sir Popcorn say. Eh? If just want to live like a bumbo class kettle, every day for everybody live. If you're hot over there, they can do the live, Jaden live, Candy live, everybody live. Because he might live off of their steam, he might live off of their heat, he might live off of them blood clot views. I mean, talk about him all the while. Every time I tell him about the camel shape blood clot man, who know always I can tell me about, yo, no man that loud man, Remeich a girl pitney. Sour slimy mouth, girl pitney, big bitch.
Remeich, I see a lawsuit that come your way, brother. I tell you why I say that. I observe TJ upon him live and TJ calm like a cold cup of porridge where you put on for cuggle. You know that look when you put on a porridge for cuggle up and someone say TJ calm. TJ and Maya are gonna bore a hole so far in a Remeich pocket, brother, like the man that would dig for gold in Africa and diamond. Them are gonna flag out Remeich pocket, brother.
Them and those, you know.
Fresh drop.
We take advantage of people because you feel like you're in a higher place, so he's one of the hierarchy them. It's only salvation lasts alone, yeah. So all I know out there, one of them a bully, one of them feel like say when I God, the salvation alone lasts forever. And try remember say the good one them, so don't take heed and behave on a bum.
Now people, I want you to take a good look at that video, you know. And I want you to look on the the body language of everybody. Want to know, dissect and put two and two together and tell me what want to see in another video. Yeah. Look on the body language and the demeanor of the man them in the video. And look who genuine from who not seemingly look genuine, because I don't know if there's something wrong with me or me I see or me I think too deep in it, but it is clearly to me it's like the other side TJ more a show a genuine energy and for them energy just effortless towards him. Them not give him a energy. Want to look in it, want to tell me what to see. Alright, cool.
Go buy liquor.
Yeah, come on, buy 2 more buckle, cause you don't know the buckle we have, but just 2 buckle here give me and a 4 buckle one.
Really want to go to the conversation, you know?
How can I assist that?
Yeah.
Swift!
Yo.
What about father?
I want to discuss.
Big up, bro. Big up.
Yo, so
I'm going to build up, cause I'm so forward.
enough people over here, man. I just have to stay and build up.
No. Alright. Guys, I'm going to port up on Rose, guys. Go and port up on Rose. No big gift, guys, because I'm going to build up the live.
It's like Jaden nah read the man them. It's like Jaden nah read the energy. Him nah really read the energy of the sister. The man them not really in him like that. Them a give off an energy like them not really want to hear what Jaden have to say. Them not in him. Them not really give him the attention or pay him the mind. That me I get. That vibes that me I get. Like them not in him. And him not read that. He need to study psychology and read people energy, bro.
I'm there, but from morning, I'm only in the tears now, cause when I cry on camera, I'm gonna do this here. But I just offer think nothing. When me expect more, what me see people dead right in front of me, and nothing when me experience in my life ever make me feel the way I feel last night. And it's so funny because, as I'm telling you, adrenaline is a serious thing. Cause all time last night, it's like my brain just left on overdrive. I not think, I just defend myself, I just fight, I not even miss everything until, you know, like I not even focus on what happened to me, I just focus on what happened to him, and I try to defend him. And now everything just a flashback in my mind. Every time I look my eye, I see it. It's me tell you something. Just picture the person you love the most in the whole world, and picture yourself out. See 10 different men. I don't even know if 10, 3, 5, 6, 100. I beat down, like I'm not talking about no one-on-one fight. You see a man and somebody a fight, and them are defenders. They talk about a proper beat down, kick everything over something so small. I could have met my day somewhere in my man right now. Like my man could have dead because of an ego. Over fuckery. One wrongly can him could have a brain bleed.
All me have to say is that this situation escalate so big where not even an apology can solve it. An apology can't solve it. Now if the people them decide to press charges and bring them to court, that is fine. Well, on Remeich's part, he must have to do a whole lot to get the people them to go through something like this, because this is trauma. You can see it in a girl's eyes and you can hear the girl cry. This is trauma to her. This not right, bro. It's not right. I wanna leave this for them go through. This is in the media, it not gonna remove. It will forever stay in them. If them have kids together, if them do have kids, them will go grow up and see them thing for life. So an apology can't solve this. You have to go pay dearly for a situation like this, man. You have to go pay dearly, Remeich. And that's all I have to say now about the whole situation here. Me no wanna think about this whole situation in the comment section. Tell me what your thoughts on it. I know enough of how they upset and dark and And imagine if it was uno or uno family, I go through a situation like that. Let me know on the thoughts in the comment section. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Peace. I'm out. Thanks for watching Vibes and Insights with yours truly, Nando. If you're loving the vibes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep the conversation going, and we'll see you in the next one.